gotten involved in the match to the point where it's distracted the official and allowed a double team. We often see overzealous teammates cause that issue, and Brittnie has not been lured into that. Taniya rallying here. Stunner! And here comes Britt. House of Fire. Knee to the small of the backs. Sets up Brittnie, bitch.
Shout out to Brittnie Spears, one of my favorites.
You would have liked the original wrestler Laz if Brittnie Spears is one of your favorite wrestlers. And Brittnie Brooks showing off an NWA style wild side, but Mazzerati goes to the eyes.
Northern Lights
with a perfect bridge. And I think the only reason Brittnie was able to kick out is because Mazzerati broke the bridge up herself by lifting her head. Code breaker.
2 knees right to the face of Mazzerati, and then there's a huge roundhouse again to the face of Taniya.
And the action, the pace is picking up for this tag team action here.